Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash your Jeep Wrangler engine. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch. A warm engine can cause cleaners to dry too quickly or even damage components. Next, gather your supplies. You'll need an automotive degreaser, a few soft brushes, and some plastic bags or cling wrap. Finally, park your Jeep on a level surface, preferably in the shade, to give you ample time to work without the sun interfering. Now let's protect the vital parts. Use plastic bags or cling wrap to cover sensitive electrical components like the alternator, the fuse box, and the air intake. Secure these coverings firmly with painter's tape to ensure no water can seep in. Remember, while the engine bay can handle some moisture, direct high-pressure water on electrical connections or sensors can cause issues, so always be mindful of your spray direction. With your sensitive components protected, it's time to clean. Begin by lightly spraying the entire engine bay with a garden hose, using a gentle, low-pressure setting to wet the surfaces. Next, apply your chosen automotive degreaser, like Simple Green or Purple Power, allowing it to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes as per product instructions. Use soft brushes to agitate any stubborn dirt or grease. Then rinse the entire area thoroughly with low-pressure water until all cleaner is gone. The final steps involve drying and detailing. First, carefully remove all the plastic bags and tape from your protected components. Then, use a leaf blower or compressed air to thoroughly dry the entire engine bay, paying close attention to crevices where water might collect. For an extra measure, start your Jeep and let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes. The engine's heat will help evaporate any lingering moisture, leaving your engine bay looking clean and refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.